Hello everybody and welcome to another video. It's Josh here and today we're going to be looking at how to make a DIY tripod for literally $0, 0 rand, £0, €0. It came in via user Amy Neal on my Facebook page asking for help on how to make your own tripod. So this is that video, but before we get there, hit that subscribe button, make sure you give me a like and also hit that notification bell and check out my Patreon and social media information, all linked up in the description below. Let's get into the video.
You're going to need a plastic bottle, some cardboard, your phone, a pair of scissors, big or small, your permanent marker, a sharp knife or box cutter, a glue gun. You can also use super glue or sellotape. The whole idea of this project is to secure the cardboard to the top of the bottle by cutting a hole in it and then using the lid to clamp it down. So eyeball it and get it somewhere in the center of the cardboard and draw a circle around the top of the bottle. I was so excited to make this I forgot to hit record. Basically put your phone in a landscape and get the length of the phone. Also put it in portrait and get the width of the phone. You then want to take a ruler and mark those positions on the cardboard using the circle as the center. Then you want to lay the phone on its side, and on one of the sides of your marks is get the thickness of the phone. You're then going to take your ruler and mark this across the cardboard. I eyeballed this using a scrap piece of cardboard box. If you mess it up, you can just do it again. It's now time to grab your scissors and get cutting. Cut off the excess on either side. Then take your marker and establish some points for the bend. I eyeballed this, but you'll get an idea from the visual reference. All the colored in sections are what we're cutting out. So you can cut out the two sides that have been marked off here. And once you've done that, you're going to grab your blade, your sharp knife, and start scoring out the shape of the circle. Just take your time with this, and you do it a few times, you'll be able to press out that middle section. Now that you've got that done, we want to test that it fits nicely on the bottle. This is a nice good fit and the lid is clamping it down nicely. So let's take it off and complete the rest of the process. We're now going to trim off the excess and then cut for the fold. So I've cut up to that line that we marked, and now we're going to start the first part of the fold. Then take the ruler and fold from the side. And you'll see that it's starting to take shape. We're now going to repeat the process on the other side. Now that we've got all our cuts and folds done, it's time to take the glue gun and start preparing to glue things down. Take your time with this, just do it one piece at a time. Basically what you need to do is glue along the underside of that little support piece that we folded in, and I got a little bit excited and ended up having to hold two pieces down at the same time because I didn't let it dry. So just work through it. Now that it's all glued and secure, it's time to test it on the bottle again. You can always just bend it open a bit. I don't have anything in the bottle to weight it down yet, but the phone fits nice and snug. Here's a quick little look before we put the anchor inside the bottle. To anchor the bottle down and make it heavier, I stepped outside into my garden and started collecting these small stones. I filled it up to the point where I felt it was heavy enough. It's now time to step inside and test this thing out.
Now that we've built our tripod, it's time to test it out. So here I am sitting at a table. The nice thing I like about this water bottle setup is with the phone on top, it's at eye level. So you want to be looking straight into the camera, having a conversation with your audience, but it's not looking up your nostrils or looking too far down, and you're not having to balance and try and make things happen. So this works pretty well. If you look off to the second angle here, which I've got to the side, you can see the setup that I've got. I've also got my DIY light, which I made in one of my other videos, which is lighting my face. And all in all, very, very happy with this build. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you. And if you've got suggestions of things that you would like me to make to help make your process of recording videos easier, or some DIY projects, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.